What's the meaning of Christ's hospital? Christ's hospital. Christ's hospital.
Christ's hospital. Christ's hospital. Christ's Hospital refers to a charitable foundation that was established in London in 1552 by King Edward VI. It provides education and boarding to children from disadvantaged backgrounds, who are known as bluecoats due to their distinctive uniform. The foundation's aim is to provide children with a good education and help them develop into well-rounded individuals. Throughout its history, Christ's Hospital has played an important role in the education of young people, and it continues to be a respected institution today.